Hey guys, I'm Gabe and I'm traveling to every country in this world, and I'm now in Montevideo, the capital of Uruguay, deep south in South America. I'm here on the Independence Square. I just arrived here. I just have 24 hours because I came here on a ferry and on a bus from Buenos Aires, Argentina, and tomorrow I'm gonna head to Brazil. I really just have two objectives here in the city. The first one I already accomplished. It was getting my pin for my pin collection. And when I was walking to my hostel, I found some guy selling souvenirs on the street. This was $2.50. And the second one is eating a Chivito, which is the world famous Uruguayan goat sandwich, which doesn't have goat. But it has like so many different types of meats, and I was told it's delicious. So I'm just gonna walk around a little bit, explore the city, go to the beach and see what there is to see. And surprisingly, it is so cold. I'm so glad I bought this new winter jacket in Buenos Aires because it is freezing. It doesn't look like it, it's like tropical, but the wind is freezing cold. From what I can see from this city so far, it's beautiful. It's very clean, very organized. It has lots of nice and historic buildings and very unique architecture in every single one of them. And if you're already in Buenos Aires in Argentina, getting here is pretty straightforward. I bought the ferry tickets online for like $65 each way. You arrive at the port 2 hours earlier, you go through immigration to leave the country of Argentina and to enter the country of Uruguay while you're still in Argentina, and within like 3 to 5 hours, depending which ferry you take, you get here to the capital of Montevideo. Somehow I'm the only person in the bus. I just crossed the entire city to get to this place, to Chivetería Marcos. Ordered my real Uruguayan Chivito. It has beef, it has salad, it has ham, onions, pickles, I don't know what catalanes are, soft white bread, whole egg, mushrooms, olives, mozzarella, tomatoes, morrones, and panceta. So it's basically like 4 different types of meat plus lettuce and tomatoes and molten mozzarella. 650 Uruguayan is $16.34 right now, so it's not cheap. That is one monster plate. Beef, tomatoes, ham, bacon, cheese, onions, pickles, and fries. I think this is gonna be a little bit difficult to eat. It is so juicy. That was messy. I can't finish this anymore. This is just french fries and some of the ingredients which fell out. Now my honest review. The size of this burger is impressive, but it's just so big, and with all of the sauces and all of the juices from the meat and the tomatoes, the bread got soggy so quickly and everything just started falling apart. So it was a nightmare to eat, honestly. And while the individual flavors were amazing, together it's just like one big soggy mess. So I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It's like pretty mediocre compared to other types of food here. It might have also been this place that had good reviews online, but I was the only customer they had right now at like 4 p.m. So maybe I was just late to the game. I'm now here by the port, by the ocean, and there's this small island called La Isla de Monos, the monkey island. From what I can see, it doesn't have any monkeys or trees on it, but we're gonna check it out anyways. It's pretty windy, but I'm gonna fly up the drone real quick. Here in front of me is the Monkey Island, which is not really an island. It's just two bridges connecting these stone plateaus, which are exposed on the low tide. And then I'm gonna climb around here. Looks like it used to be a loading ramp. It's so windy. After taking a nap in the grass in the afternoon, I walked to this place called La Rambla de Pocitos to watch the sunset. And the wind was much stronger than earlier and freezing cold again, which only got worse the moment the sun set behind the horizon. And at first it didn't look like the sunset was gonna be very strong, but hold on for a minute to watch this because I have never seen a sunset like this in my entire life. I have just never seen a sunset so dark, orange and strong. You can still see it in my face, but it's starting to fade now. I have the drone in the air, I flew around a little bit and it's just so beautiful.
I thought I saw your face today, but I just turned my head away, your face against the trees. But I just see the memories